The PRICUSIS Nonstick Ceramic Frying Pan, the 10th of August 12-inch, is a great product for any kitchen. It comes in a set of 3 useful sizes: 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch. These pans are perfect for cooking different amounts of food. Customers will notice how easy it is to fry eggs or even delicate fillets of fish without sticking. The non-stick surface acts like a dream, and food slides right off. This PRICUSIS Nonstick Ceramic Frying Pan, the 10th of August 12, is also very healthy. It is free from harmful chemicals like PTFE, PFOA, and PFAS. This means you can cook your favorite meals without worry. The pan heats up quickly and evenly, so your food cooks just right. You can use it to sauté vegetables or make fluffy omelets. Cleaning is also a breeze with just a sponge and some soap. Overall, the PRICUSIS Nonstick Ceramic Frying Pan, the 10th of August 12, is a fantastic addition to your cooking groups. It is durable and easy to use, and it promotes healthy cooking. The different inch sizes cater to various cooking needs. If you want a reliable and non-toxic skillet, this product is a wonderful choice. It's a kitchen helper that won't let you down, and many customers agree. Pros: healthy cooking, ceramic non-stick, easy food release, minimal oil needed, durable build. Fast, even heating, no warping, induction compatible. Cons: handle assembly, might not last, coating could wear, heavy for some, uneven heating. Handle durability? Not for pro use. Metal utensils. Features: non-stick, ceramic 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch, non-toxic, healthy, egg pan, omelet pan, chef's pan. This PRICUSIS Nonstick Ceramic Frying Pan comes in 3 useful sizes: 8, 10, and 12 inches. It has a special coating made of ceramic that helps food not stick, so it's great for cooking eggs and omelets. This pan is also called a chef's pan and is made without harmful chemicals like PTFE, PFOA, and PFAS, which makes it a healthy choice for your kitchen. You can even use it on induction cooktops. This PRICUSIS Nonstick Frying Pan is designed for healthy cooking with its ceramic coating that allows food to slide off easily, needing very little oil. It heats up quickly and evenly without bending out of shape and can be used on induction stoves. However, the non-stick might not last very long and could wear down over time. Some people might find it heavy, and there are a few questions about how evenly it heats and how strong the handle is. It's probably not the best choice for professional chefs or if you plan to use metal tools on it. You will need to put the handle on yourself when you get it.